Of articles published in 2021. You see we have the, I would call it big players like soft condensed matter, chemistry, hard condensed matter, magnetism and material science. But there's much more. There's also industry application, nuclear particle physics, there's instrumental method development, geoscience.
200 people don't come only for the fun or drinking beer. They come because they want to discuss science.
It's really important to have a user meeting even in the times without having Newtons. I think it's very important to keep the contact between the users and the instrument scientists, also in these very difficult times. The MLZ is by far the most important place to do Newton research if you are a German Newton researcher.
This meeting was excellently organized scientifically. I was very happy to be here and hear what has been done with the data, and I'm very positive for the future, hopefully with neutrons in 2024 as predicted.
We are working at an instrumentation program, including new instruments and upgrades of existing instruments, refurbishments, in order to shape the future for neutron science in Europe.